Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up Webhook inside Weblium. So Weblium is an amazing website builder platform designed to help individuals and businesses to create professional and modern websites along with the forms with ease for lead generation, feedback collection and much more. It offers a range of features and tools that helps make website creation straightforward and accessible, even for those who are not technically experts. Okay, so here I'm going to show you step by step that how you can set up a connection between Weblium and Pabbly Connect in order to transfer the data from Weblium to any other application automatically. So here I am running a yoga classes, and for that I have created a website with the help of Weblium along with a form. I want to generate the leads with this website through the form submission, which I have created in the customized format with the help of Weblium very easily. And now I want that as soon as a lead is going to visit my website and submit that form, then I want to capture the response of that lead with all the details such as name, email, address, contact number, and the interest of the leads inside Pabbly Connect so that I can transfer the data towards any other application. Okay, for that I'm going to set up the webhook inside Weblium. Now what is Webhook? Webhook acts as a bridge for setting up connections between different applications and for transferring the data from one application towards another. So when I'm going to set up Webhook inside Weblium and I'm going to publish my website, whenever a lead is going to visit my website and submit the form, automatically I'm going to receive the response of that lead with all the details inside Pabbly Connect, and then I can transfer that data immediately and automatically to any other application of my requirement. So when we are going to set up Webhook inside Weblium, whenever a specific event happens, it is going to capture the response from Weblium towards Pabbly Connect. Now, before moving forward towards setting up this connection, you can see on my screen there are two windows, trigger and action. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles or the building blocks on which the entire automation works. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Let's suppose here I want that for my yoga classes, whenever the form submission will be made by a lead, then the response of that lead should be captured inside Pabbly Connect and it should be immediately added as a record in my Google Sheets. So for that, I'm going to take Weblium in my trigger and Google Sheets in my action, let's say. So here when we are going to set up the connection between these two applications, whenever the form will be submitted, immediately the record will be created. And we can see that the action is going to follow what the trigger commands, because when the trigger happens, that means when the form is submitted, then only the record is created inside Google Sheets, otherwise not. Okay. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action in the workflow, in our automation, let us start setting up the connection between Weblium and Pabbly Connect with the help of Webhook. For that, we have to go towards our trigger step, and here our trigger application will be Weblium. So let's quickly select that. After selecting the application, now we have to select the trigger event. Trigger event is an event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or start. You can see that new form submission is our trigger event over here, because we want that whenever the form will be submitted inside Weblium for our website or for our business, then immediately the response should be captured. In order to set up the connection, we have received one Webhook URL, and here we have also received some instructions. So we have to follow these instructions step by step carefully in order to set up this connection and to capture the response. So first of all, we are going to copy this URL. It is going to act as a bridge because it is going to transfer the data from Weblium towards Pabbly Connect whenever a form will be submitted. And also we have to follow these instructions carefully, and I'm going to tell you exactly what we are supposed to do. So let's quickly copy the URL, and then I'm going to tell you step by step. So first of all, it is given you have to log into your Weblium account and you have to enter the site settings, and then you have to navigate the form management tab and open the integrations. Then we have to click on Webhook fields, and we have to copy the Webhook URL given over here and paste it under the Webhook URL field. So we are going to follow the steps up till here, then I will tell you exactly what we have to do after that. So I'm going to first of all take you towards my Weblium account, and you can see that this is the website which I have created for my yoga classes. You have to select your website, and if you have not created one, so first of all you have to create the website and your form. Then after selecting the website, you have to go towards the settings tab over here. When you will select the drop down and you will scroll down, here you will see the option of integrations. After coming on integrations, from the left side you have to click on this form management, because we are setting up a connection between the form and Pabbly Connect, so that whenever the form will be submitted, we are going to receive the response of that form. After coming on form management option, we have to go towards integrations once again, and when we will scroll down here, at last we will find the option of Webhook. So we are setting up the connection with the help of Webhook. We have to select Webhook over here. I have already added an existing Webhook over here, you can see. see. So first of all, I'm going to delete that existing webhook and I'm going to start with a fresh webhook. Okay, so I'm going to click on this add webhook URL button, and here I'm going to simply paste the URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. In the similar manner, you have to do the same steps. You have to select webhook option and you have to add the webhook URL. I have just deleted the existing webhook so that I can show you from the start. Then too, you can add another webhook without deleting the existing webhooks. Okay, so when I have added the URL, now I'm going to click on publish to publish this setup. And here it is saying your website is now available online, check it out. So here our connection and our website is published and it is online. So now I'm going to simply cross this. We'll move back towards Pabbly Connect, and now we have to follow other steps also. Now here further in the steps it is given that edit the site, then go to the integrations tab in the contact form to enable the integration. Click the capture webhook response button below and perform a test record to ensure the webhook response is captured here. Now here further what we have to do, we have to once again go towards Weblium. We have to click on this edit site button, and here we have to go towards the form which we have created. So this is my website editor. So what we have to do, we have to scroll down until we'll find the option of forms. Here we have the form which we have created. So we have to click on the settings option, and then here we have to go towards integrations. After coming on integrations, when we'll scroll down, you will see the option of webhook. We have to simply enable the webhook option, and we have to choose an option from the drop down. So we have to basically select the webhook URL which we have added inside Weblium currently. So you can see I have only one webhook over here which I have recently added. I will simply select that, and what we have to do, simply we have to click on cross. After doing this, once again we will click on publish, and finally now our website is published. Okay, so I'm going to click on open website, and you can see that here we have the published website. So our website is live now, and this is the form. Whenever for our yoga class any lead is going to visit the website and they will submit the form, then immediately the response will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. When we are going to go back towards Pabbly Connect, it is showing waiting for webhook response. This means that now we have to do a test submission by submitting the form which we have created. We have connected with Pabbly Connect inside our website. Okay, so once again I'm going to go towards my website, and this is the form which we have already opened, and we have already connected this form with Pabbly Connect. So when the form will be submitted, the response will be captured. So here I'm going to fill this particular form just to do a test submission, and because I'm doing a test submission, so all the details which I'm going to enter over here will be dummy details. Let's start with the name. Let's say the name of the person who is submitting this form is new, and let's say the last name of this person is lead. I'm going to enter a random phone number and a random email address. Okay, new lead @pabblytudes.com. When I'm going to click on request a code, so this means that our form is successfully submitted. I'm going to click on OK. We'll move back towards Pabbly Connect, and here you can see that immediately as we have submitted the form, the response is also received. And in this response, you can see that we have received all the details, but not the exact details which we have entered while submitting the form. Why? Because currently I'm using a trial account inside Weblium. Okay, so trial Weblium account I'm using. Therefore, all the details which I've received in the response are the trial details. Okay, so here you can see that value of last name fields goes here, trial mode restriction. So we have not received any kind of real details because we are currently using the trial mode, and there are some restrictions over there. But in your case, when you will be setting up the connection and your account will not be in the trial mode, then whenever the form will be submitted on your website, the response will be captured with all the real details. Okay. In this response, you can see that we have received the time and the date at which the form is submitted. Here we have received the website URL. The name of the form is contact form. Here we have received the value for the first name, the trial value. Here we have received a trial phone number. Here we have received a trial email address and all other details. So in this way, this means that our connection is absolutely successful. Once you will set up this connection inside Weblium with the help of Webhook, whenever the form will be submitted, you are going to receive the response of that form, of that lead, with all the details of the lead, such as name, email address, all such details which you have used in your form as fields in order to record. Okay, after setting up the connection, you can add as many action steps in this workflow to complete your automation to send this response from Weblium to any other application you want that to automatically. So I hope this video was helpful for you. It is clear to you that how you have to set up Webhook inside Weblium, and that's it in the video. Thank you for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such applications without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends, and also please like our video and subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.